Natural remedies for nosebleed, first aid and emergencies. Nosebleed can be frightening, but they are not actually a sign of anything serious and can often be treated at home. Bleeding usually occurs from only one nostril. If the bleeding is heavy enough, the blood can fill up the nostril on the affected side, overflow within the nasopharynx, spilling into the other nostril to cause bleeding from both sides. Natural remedies for nosebleed, first aid and emergency. Pinch the nose. According to the top 10 remedies, this is the easiest way to stop nosebleed. Pinching the nose sends pressure to the bleeding point in the nasal septum, which helps to stop the flow of blood immediately. Sit up straight with your head tied slightly forward. Tilting the head backward can actually be very dangerous and lead to vomiting. Pinch the soft part of your nose below the vertebrae. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes. Breathe through your mouth. Release the pressure gently and sit quickly for 5 minutes. Repeat as necessary until the bleeding stops. Do not lay flat. Tilt your head back or put your head between your legs. Also, do not blow your nose. Onion have a blood clotting agent and are rich in both vitamin C and bioflavonoid that strengthen damaged blood vessels. Method 1. Cut an onion into thick slices. Press one slice under your nose and inhale. Thus bleeding will stop within minutes. Method 2. Put 2 to 3 drops of freshly extracted onion juice in each nostril. Repeat as needed. I see how staff workers indicate that IC is helpful for stopping bleeding, concentrating the blood vessels and reducing inflammation. Place crushed IC into plastic zipper type bag and covered with a towel. Place the compress on the bridge of the nose and hold until the wall after the bleeding stops. If the bleeding eventually stops, you won't usually need to seek the medical advice. However, in some cases, you may need to further treatment from your GP or hospital. Seek medical advice if a child under 2 years of age has a nosebleed. If you have nosebleed that come to go regularly, the bleeding continues for longer than 20 minutes, the bleeding is heavy and you have lost a lot of blood. If you have difficulty breathing, you swallow a large amount of blood that make you vomit. A nosebleed develops after a serious injury, such as car crash.